Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make roles on Discord Mobile. First, open the Discord application on your mobile device. Once open, navigate to the specific server where you want to add a new role. You can find your servers listed on the left side of the screen. After selecting your server, tap the three dots next to the server name at the top to access its settings. This will open a menu with various server management options. Now that you are in the server settings, scroll down and select the Roles option. This section displays all existing roles within your server. To add a new one, simply tap the Create Role button, which is usually a plus icon or a text button. A new role entry will appear, prompting you to give it a name. Choose a name that clearly defines the role's purpose. After naming your role, it's time to customize its settings. You can select a distinct color for the role, which helps members easily identify it in the member list. Next, carefully review and adjust the permissions. There are over 20 different permissions you can toggle, such as Manage Channels or Kick Members. Also, decide if you want to display members with this role separately from others in the online list. With your new role created and customized, the final step is to assign it to your server members. Go back to the main server settings and select the Members option. This will show a list of everyone in your server. Tap on the name of the member you want to assign the role to. From their profile, select Add Role and then choose the role you just created from the list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.